How to pin chats on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily pin the chats on your Instagram. So first thing first, simply head over to your Instagram application, and once you're inside Instagram application, simply click on your messages section. And once you're inside your messages section, what you need to do is select any of the chats that you like, and once you are on the chat, simply long press on any chats. As you can see, there is no option to pin. There is option for reply, there is option for forward, copy, save reply, and delete and unsend, but there is no option to actually pin the chats. So to pin the chats, what you need to do is simply just make sure your Instagram application is up to date. So you can do that from by coming over to the Play Store. As you can see, my Instagram is updated. So once again, open it, and to pin the chat, what you need to do is, if your application is fully updated, you can simply long press on any of your chat, and as you can see, there is an option called pin, and simply click on pin, and that is exactly how you can pin your chats on your Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.